Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and watch VR videos on Oculus VR Quest 2. And to do this we'll need to open our app library. Right here you need to download YouTube VR for this. It's the app right here. We can open it. To log in and go for 360 videos. Open any video. And right here we're watching a 360 video. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.